Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, it's Farzeen and I hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a haul video, and I went to Dubai last month, and since I was in Dubai I had to get something for my crafty projects. So there's this store in Dubai called Creative Minds. It is a really big craft store. You can literally find anything you can think of for your crafty projects in that store. And one thing, that store is pretty expensive, but since I was in Dubai I had to get something for my crafty projects, and so I ended up getting a few paper pads. I've already opened the paper pads, but I'm going to show you all of these one by one. I ended up getting 1, 2, 3 and 4 paper pads, and there was a single tag sheet that I got. And also Creative Minds, I think they do have an online store as well, so if you want to check it out you can check them out online, or if you live in Dubai you can go to their store and go to their scrapbooking lane. They have a whole lane for scrapbooking. They have lots and lots of variety of paper. They have a lot to choose from. I had a really hard time picking and choosing paper pads because I wanted to get every single one of them. That's just how I think that's just how all the paper crafters feel when they go to a store where you can find literally everything scrapbooking. That place is really awesome. You should definitely visit Creative Minds if you live in Dubai. So without further ado, let me show you all these paper pads. So first of all we have this one. This is 25 sheets of A4 paper, that is 8.5 by 11, where there are 5 sheets of each design. And so let me show you guys. So here are the designs, 5 sheets of each, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Really pretty patterns. You see 2, 3, 4 and 5 sheets of each design. The papers are beautiful. And there we have this one. And for the next one we have this. Again, this is 8.5 by 11. And now on to the next one. So this one is 8.5 by 11, but this is not pattern. These are not pattern papers. These are just solid colored cardstock. Also, I've launched my new website. Make sure you go check it out. The link will be down in the description box below, and I'm open to taking orders. If you want if you order a scrapbook or something, I am open to taking orders. You can ask me to customize the gifts for you, scrapbooks, memory boxes, gift bags, anything you really want. You can just discuss the order on Instagram. So if you're interested, do DM me on Instagram, and I'll be really happy to reply. And this is just solid colored cardstock. The thickness of the paper is actually really good. And there you have it. And now we have this last one. Beautiful colors and beautiful designs. The paper is just gorgeous. This design is beautiful. And this is the last one. So let me know in the comments down below which paper pad was your favorite, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and also follow me on my Instagram. All the details will be down in the description box below. So this is it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care.